Hello students, I am Preeti Bala Joshi. How are you all? Today we will take up NCERT Maths Chapter 4, Long and Short. As the name of the chapter indicates, it is about the length of the objects. Now page number 1. Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. The farmer wants 7 arms of rope. So, Lali measures 7 arms of rope and gives to the farmer. But when the farmer measures with his arms, it is only 6 arms long. So, Lali asks the farmer to measure 7 arms and take the rope. Now, why was there a difference of 1 arm of rope? It was because Lali's arms are shorter than the farmer's arms. Now, next page. How many? Come, let us do this activity. In how many steps will Dorji cross the road? Now, shall we count? Count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, about 10 steps. Next, how many cups can be placed in a line on this table? Again count. They will come about 8 cups. Next, how many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? About 6 pots. How many shirts can be hung on this wire? About 4 shirts. Now, lengths of different things are measured in different ways using non-standard units like handspan, fingers, arms, foot, etc. They do not give us exact length of the objects, but they give us approximate length of the things measured. To get exact length of the objects, we use a scale or a ruler. Children, the scale which you are having in your pencil box is a small scale. You can see markings on both the straight edges of the scale. Now, on one side, we see centimeters and on the other side, inches are marked. On the centimeter side, we see very small markings. They represent millimeters. Now count them. 10 millimeters, they make 1 centimeter. Now next page. How much is a centimeter? Now here you have to measure the length of the given pictures. First, mark centimeters on the lines given. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now, let us fill up the blanks. Now children, the matchstick is 4 centimeters long. Where is the matchstick? Here. So count from 1 to 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. Now where is the die? Here. So it is 1 centimeter. The lizard is 13 centimeters long. Now see the lizard from 0 up to the tail. It comes up to 13 centimeters long. The leaf is how many centimeters long? Now where is the leaf? Here. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the leaf is 4 centimeters long. The wax color is 7 centimeters long. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 centimeters. Now children, look at the scale that you find in your geometry box. How many centimeters does it have? It has 15 centimeters. Now you have learned how to measure the length of the objects. Now the small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Now this activity you have to do. See the markings and write the length of the objects given. Now, what are the little lines on the scale for? Now, what do they represent? We use the small markings. They are millimeters, as I told you. Now, these millimeters, we use them to measure the length of short or small objects. Now, you have to look for things that are about 10 centimeters long. Now, can you give some examples? We can write a top, soap cake, crayon, etc. Between 10 and 20 centimeters long, we can write bottle, rolling pin, pencil, etc. Less than 1 centimeter long, piece, ant, nail, etc. You can give your own examples also. How big is my hand? Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page. Now, which is longer? Thumb is longer. Now, he is asking you to bring a measuring tape. Children, have you seen a measuring tape? A carpenter uses a measuring tape, isn't it? He is asking you to measure the length of different parts of your body. So, try it. Now, after measuring, you have to note down your measurements and your friend's measurement. Now, nose. Now, approximately we'll write the centimeters. Write down your measurement 3 centimeters, your friend's 3 centimeter. Around the wrist 12 centimeters, 11 centimeters. Around the head 36 centimeters, 35 centimeters. Ear 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Hand, that is from tip of middle finger to wrist. Let us write 12 centimeters and 11 centimeters. You can measure with your friends. These values may differ. Now compare your measurements with your friends and answer the given questions. Next, Ghibli and the grains. Ant Ghibli has to reach the grains. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest? So, take a scale and draw a line from the ant to the grain. That is the shortest length. Now measure the length. It is 11 centimeters. Now, how long is a meter. Children, we have learnt that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Then how long is a meter? Now children, 1 meter means 100 centimeters. A cloth merchant uses a meter rod for measuring cloth for your kurta, skirt, etc. So remember, 1 meter means 100 centimeters and 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Now next, guess and check. Activity 1. Now name of a thing is given. You have to tell whether it is more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. Now length of a table, it can be more than 1 meter. Width of table, that is less than 1 meter. Width of door, it is less than 1 meter. Length of the door, it is more than 1 meter. Activity 2. Some class 3 children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. Now make a chart of the heights of your friends. Now to measure the centimeters, you can use your small scale. So children, write the name of the students here and write whether he is taller and by how many. That is, I will explain you. 1 meter you have marked. So his height is more than 1 meter, then you write taller. And if his height is less than 1 meter, you can write shorter. And if is equal to 1 meter, then you can write equal to. And by how many centimeters, more or less, you have to write here. So do this activity. Turn the page. Centimeters or meters. Which of these will be in centimeters and which will be in meters? Now width of a computer screen, it will be in centimeters. Length of a pagdi worn by Sikhs, it is meters. Height of a 1-year-old child, centimeters. Length of a banana, centimeters. Waist of an elephant, meters. Height of a sugar cane, meters. Depth of a well, meters. Height of your arm, meters. Distance from classroom to school gate, that is meters. And length of your father's arm in centimeters. Now, trip to Agra. Mari and Baichung are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cantonment railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Now, look at the distances between these places. For kilometers, children, we write km. Now, Agra Cantonment Railway Station to Taj Mahal, the distance is 5 kilometers. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, 2 kilometers. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri, it is 40 kilometers. Now find from the map which is farther from Agra Cantonment Railway Station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? It is Fatehpur Sikri. Now children, in a map, this sign is used to show the railway line. You can see the railway line here in the map. Now, which of these is nearer to the railway line? Babarpur Forest or Taj Forest? It is Babarpur Forest. Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Agra Fort. Which is closer to the river Yamuna? Taj Mahal or the railway station? It is Taj Mahal. Now turn the page. Match the correct land. Now you have to draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Now, length of an earthworm. It may be 10 centimeters. Height of a child, 1 meter. Width of a fingernail, 1 centimeter. Length of a sari, 5 meters. And distance from home to school, 2 kilometers. Now last page. The long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the length of the longest tail. Now children, whose tail is longest? Can you guess? Monkey's tail is longest. And the cow's tail is the second one. So now you have to guess the length of the longest tail. It can be 1 meter approximately. So with this we are completing the chapter.